So I'm going to try to put all of these on this wall. Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be decorating my place. I'm thinking about putting something on this wall here. This is like our entry wall, so when you come in the door, you like turn and it's the closet and it's like this and this. So I'm thinking about making this our entry wall, and I'm going to be decorating this wall, I want to put up a mirror and a table, and I already have a shoe rack right here. I spray painted black. This is the shoe rack that I have already. I spray painted it black. I need to spray paint it some more because it's kind of off a job that I did because I was in a rush. But right here, I'm going to be trying to put up some greenery or whatever. That's why you see all these bags of green stuff. And I also have a table right here that I'm going to fix as well, put together whenever I get the chance. But I have these right here. These like fake or faux grass looking leaf boxes or whatever. I got them from my job. At my job, we do a lot of decorating and whatnot in our windows. So we have moved and started doing a new one. So I'm going to try to put all of these on this wall. And hopefully I have enough. Because if I don't have enough, then that'd be tragic. But if I don't have enough, I just make like one little rectangle, I guess. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But that's what I'm about to do today. Oh, and I also have to get a curtain for this den area for right now because we don't have a door to it. So I have to get a curtain. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to be decorating this wall and putting a curtain up. So if you want to see that, just keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm going to put all of these together so I can see how long it'll be up there hanging up. So I already put some of them together, not all the way. I started it, and it's good because they have these hooks on the back where you can just like hook them together and you don't have to use anything, because that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to decorate my apartment without putting a bunch of nails in the wall, because you know I'm in an apartment, so the stuff has to be renter friendly. So that's what I'm doing. Hopefully this doesn't take. Alright, so I pretty much finished the wall piece. Now my second DIY this is DIY day because I'm like doing a whole lot today. Well, not a whole lot, but I'm doing the wall, and it's a lot of pieces that go to that wall. So like I said, it's the wall, which is the greenery, which is this right here. Let me show you. So I finished the whole wall piece. It's gonna go up there. And then next, I'm going to be doing this project. I'm going to make a mirror out of these mirrors. Hello. But yeah, I'm going to make a mirror out of these mirrors right here. And put it on the wall. So that's the next thing that I'm going to be doing. I probably have to go back to, I got the mirrors from Dollar Tree. I only got 6, so So I'm about to place them out and see how many I actually need, because I want it to be a floor mirror or whatever. So that's what I'm about to do now. Yeah, so let's watch. Sorry, this lady was horrible. Okay, so I know I need to go to the Dollar Tree, but I wasn't trying to make several trips to the Dollar Tree. So, I need some more mirrors. So I need to get 19 mirrors and a poster board, some hooks, and I need a screwdriver. Okay, so I need to write this down. I'll hit y'all back up when I get back, because I'm about to go to the Dollar Tree, get some more mirrors, so I can finish this project today. Alright, so I'm back home, and I actually had to go to a few places to pick up some things that we needed to finish this project up. So this is what I got from Target. I got 2 spray bottles of black Rust-Oleum spray paint. I got 2 of these command strip hooks for hanging frames and things like that. And they come with 6, and they're supposed to be able to hold 3 pounds, it looks like. So I got 6. I got 6 comes in 1, so I got 12 in all. And they also came with these stick things. I also got some wood glue, even though I already have some wood glue, it's just at my mom's house. I got some E6000 glue, and I got this blackout curtain right here. So let's get started. So first I'm going to start off by attaching these to the wall. To the hooks, and then attaching it to the wall. So this is my first time using these, so I don't really know how they work. So bear with me. So it says to remove the red liner and put it onto the hook, which is this. So you have to take this off and put it on here like that. So, alright, and then it says remove the black liner and press to the wall for 10 seconds. Alright. So I got the wall up, and this is how it looks. I'm proud of myself. It's so pretty. So now, what's next? Next is the table, I believe. Yeah, so next is the table. So now I have to spray paint the table. So we're about to go outside, spray paint this down, and then yeah.
This is the Legion.
So I just finished spray painting our table. our entryway table or whatever. I look so crazy. But yeah, so I just finished spray painting our table, and now I'm about to try to do the mirror. So I'm gonna show you guys how the mirror looks right now. I don't really know what I'm gonna do, so I might need some help. Okay guys, so my table is drying. I put some wood glue on it. This is what it looks like. That's my table right there. It's upside down because it's drying. I put the wood glue on the legs. So I'm gonna nail it later, but I don't have a drill, so the wood glue is gonna have to do just fine. These two are almost finished. So yeah, that's dry. While that's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and start trying to put this curtain rod up. I'm in an apartment, like you guys already know, so I'm trying to do everything renter friendly. So, so I'm not trying to put too many nails in the wall. I'm not trying to mess with the walls really at all, for real. So I'm gonna use these clips, what are they? The command hooks that I bought from Target. I just spray painted them all black because that's my decor in my living room. So I'm just gonna do them the same way I did that one when I hung up that wall, greenery, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just gonna put these on the wall now. I'm gonna put them right up here because this curtain is gonna go over my den for right now. Yeah, so watch this. Alright, so I finished putting up the curtains. I don't know how I like them right now because they're just plain, it looks like. So I don't know how I like them. Alright, so this is the end result of my DIY projects today. I will continue them tomorrow. Don't mind my ghetto-ness. I'm gonna go get a hook tomorrow. And my wall. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna put a mirror up here.